So today, you'll learn how to stop the REDnote app from saving your browsing history. So you may have noticed that whenever you browse on the REDnote app, and when you go to the history section, you should see all sorts of history listed here, such as posts you've liked, posts you've shared, and any live streams that you've actually gone on or things like that. You'll notice them being saved in this history section. So if you want that to stop, so that everything you do is no longer saved as a browsing history, you need to start by navigating to the settings menu. To do that, you want to start by tapping on Me in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the settings icon that you see here on your profile. Once you've done that, you then want to select General Settings, and then under General Settings, under the section Function, you should see History. So currently it's disabled, which means that it will show all your browsing history until 1000 notes. So in order for you to stop browsing history from being saved, just enable this setting, and then the changes will be applied to your account after a few seconds. Once that's done, all the browsing history will no longer be saved from now on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.